I'm going to show you how to remove wattage limiter. First, remove those 3 screws. First, that light chain's broken, so I got to remove that one. Already took the red wire out. And there's a wattage limiter, and I'm going to take the one out also. Now the old pull chain is out. It's time to remove wattage limiter. The wattage limiter is removed and neutral is capped. Now it's time to connect other 2 wires to new pull chain. So the new pull chain is wired and now it's ready to put back together. Now I'm going to smash that limiter. Goodbye, limiter. Anyway, thanks for watching it. Please have a comment, rate, and subscribe.